the money. I would still have done it if Luciano had not paid me 1 kobo, because I wanted the world to see what I can do. Support. Thank you, Pastor. Thank you, Luciano. Because I did not sit back in self-pity, I challenged myself. Like Pastor said, I used to run multiple businesses. And let me tell you, all those businesses went down.
So guys, you see that point where she broke down? That was the place that got me really, really bad. Like, I know how that feels. Like, I can imagine the pain this woman is passing through. And I feel it's the loss of her child. Nobody will explain how this pain is except if you've been there. Do you understand? And even if you're not there, you as a human being, you know the pain that this woman is just trying to hold back when she was trying to say. Okay, people were complaining about the way her friend snatched the mic out of her hand. It may, to me, I'm assuming that it may not be intentional, because she just don't want her to cry out from the microphone. But the way she did it was now, obvious that people kept talking in the media, that it even got my attention. Then I decided to talk about it. I felt that she's trying to help a friend, that she doesn't want her to cry out in the microphone, and she doesn't want her to feel so pain more to continue to cry. So she needed to ginger her up, and I see her from that video signal to the other friends behind to come over to stay with her. Do you understand? But people they don't really see that part. So when people were talking like that, I was like, you don't need to criticize this woman, because I felt that this is what she's trying to do. And and she already know that it was the loss of her son that is just getting to her. Although some people were like, oh, Yul Edochie is part of the reason why she was crying, but I don't really see that. Do you understand? Because if you look at the video, your email was like, do you really need to bring out this part of me? Stuff like that. So thank God she had a strong force behind her that usually lifts her up whenever she's down. And trust me guys, how this woman handles this whole situation with the whole media taunts, with the whole media bash, with the whole media drama, needed to be studied, guys. Because that woman is the definition of a strong and virtuous woman, if you ask me, because of the way she's composing herself to handle this whole situation. There are people that could not hold this thing back. They would have run mad in social media. Do you understand? But this woman was just silent. But I know that her chest is heavy, because she's having a lot in her mind, and I pray that God will give her the strength to pull through all these things over the years to come. Do you understand? So guys, this is exactly what I brought to you guys to see. And then if actually what that lady did was wrong, can I hear your own opinion in the comment section? Because me, I've just explained my own opinion. Do you understand? And if you've watched to this point, thank you guys so much. If you're new here, please kindly hit the subscribe and notification button. Let us be friends. And if you're an old subscriber, thank you so much for always stopping by. See you guys in the next video. Bye.